everybody, and OnePlus 6 T is gonna be releasing in November 2018, and before the release we have collected some leaked images from different websites. Let's check out the features that OnePlus gonna release in the next phone, OnePlus 6 T, in November. This previous releasing strategies, we have seen that OnePlus completely follows the R15 series, because OnePlus 5T was fully based on R50, and we're guessing that OnePlus 6 T is going to be following the trend of Oppo R17 Pro. And as we all know that OnePlus, Vivo and Oppo comes from the same mother company, BBK Electronics. They follow the same design rules in their releases in different branded phones like OnePlus, Oppo and Vivo. And considering this, we can say that OnePlus 6 T is gonna release the in-display fingerprint sensor in the OnePlus 6 T, and that's maybe a great change in OnePlus 6 T. It may be faster, but everything else like its processor, RAM gonna be unchanged, like Snapdragon 845 and 6 or 8 GB of RAM. And from the rumors, we have also known that it's gonna follow OnePlus R17 Pro's camera technology, the triple camera with variable aperture is the main shooter of 12 megapixel and 20 megapixel of telephoto shooter. That's prevailing in other models, other predecessors too. And the new feature of the OnePlus 6 T may be the VOCC flash charge named as dash charge. It will take 40% charge in 10 minutes only. OnePlus 6 T is gonna adapt a smaller notch in the OnePlus 6 T, and it's from the OnePlus R17 also. So it's called a waterdrop notch, and the notches are getting smaller, but the chains are remaining unchanged because OnePlus is not gonna raise the price for the phone, as it takes so much costly approach to bend the OLED panel under the display, so to get rid of the chin. That's why OnePlus is keeping the chin for this time. So let's know in the comment section, do you love the design, the specs, and share this video, like this video, and subscribe my channel. Peace out. And one thing, I'll show you the sky. Subscribe my channel for the sky also. Thank you. Peace out.